Ever dreamt of starting your own business? Today we're breaking down this mammoth task into 10 digestible steps. First off, define your business idea. What's your passion? What skills do you have? And most importantly, what does the market need? Next, it's time to dive into research. Understand your target audience, get to know your competitors, and keep an eye on industry trends. Now that you're armed with knowledge, it's time to create a business plan. This should include your goals, strategies, financial projections, and marketing plan. But a plan is nothing without funds. Explore funding options like personal savings, loans, investors, or even crowdfunding. With funds secured, choose your business structure. Will you operate as a sole proprietor, a partnership, an LLC, or a corporation? Once you've decided, register your business. You'll need to complete various legal requirements such as obtaining licenses and permits and registering your business name. Now start setting up your business operations. Establish your location, hire employees, set up accounting systems, and buy any necessary equipment. Your operations are in place, so it's time to develop your brand. Create a compelling brand identity, including your logo, website, marketing materials, and social media presence. With your brand ready to go, it's time to launch your business. Execute your marketing plan, announce your launch, and start serving your first customers. Finally, remember to adapt and grow. Stay agile, listen to customer feedback, and continuously innovate to keep your business thriving. In summary, starting a business involves defining your idea, researching the market, creating a business plan, securing funding, choosing a business structure, registering your business, setting up operations, developing your brand, launching, and then adapting and growing. Starting a business is a journey filled with challenges and opportunities. With determination, passion, and perseverance, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more business tips and inspiration.